Hey there, if you've clicked on this video, chances are you're feeling the weight of debt and searching for a way to get rid of it as fast as possible. Well, good news. There's a tried and true approach that really works. Today, I'm going to share with you practical steps to take control of your finances and eliminate your debt quicker than you might have thought possible. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get a clear picture of your debt. The first step in solving any problem is gaining clarity about it. So, take a deep breath and gather all your financial statements. Write down every single debt you owe. Credit card balances, student loans, car payments, medical bills, you name it. For each one, list the total balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. This can be uncomfortable, but trust me, it's an essential starting point. Having all the details laid out will make it much easier to create your plan moving forward. Step 2. Build a budget that works. Once you've mapped out your debts, it's time to calculate how much available money you have. Start by taking a closer look at your income and expenses over the last few months. This will allow you to truly see where your money is currently going. Next, create a budget that prioritizes the essentials: your housing, utilities, food, and transportation costs. After the basics are covered, channel every spare dollar toward your debt. This might mean cutting non-essential spending like dining out, streaming subscriptions, or impulse buys. The more you shift to paying down debt, the faster you'll make progress. Step 3. Pick a debt payoff strategy. There are two primary strategies for tackling debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Both are effective, but the better choice depends on your personal preferences and goals. The debt snowball method. Start by paying off the smallest debt first, while continuing to make the minimum required payments on everything else. Once that first debt is gone, apply what you were paying there toward the next smallest debt on your list. This method allows you to see quick results and keeps your motivation snowballing. The debt avalanche method. Here, your focus is on the debt with the highest interest rate. Pay as much as possible toward that one debt while sticking to minimum payments for the others. When it's paid off, move to the next highest interest debt. This option saves the most money on interest in the long run. Choose the approach that feels right for you and stick with it consistently. Step 4. Explore ways to earn extra income. Cutting costs can only take you so far. If you really want to speed things up, find ways to bring in additional income. Consider side hustles, freelancing gigs, delivering food or groceries, or even selling some of the things you no longer use or need. Even an extra $200 to $300 per month can make a significant impact when applied diligently toward your repayment plan. The good news is that this doesn't have to be forever. Put in the effort now to reach debt freedom sooner. Step 5. Avoid taking on new debt. This might sound like common sense, but it's essential. You can't conquer debt while adding to it at the same time. Commit to living within your means and ensure you only use credit cards when absolutely necessary. If you're prone to overspending, stick to cash payments or debit cards until you build stronger financial habits. Practicing self-discipline now will protect you from falling back into debt after you've successfully paid it off. Step 6. Celebrate the wins along the way. Debt repayment is a marathon, not a sprint. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress as you pass each milestone. Whether it's paying off a credit card, eliminating a car loan, or simply hitting the halfway mark, take time to reflect on your achievements. Celebrations don't need to break the bank. Enjoy a quiet night in, indulge in one of your favorite shows or books, or gather friends and loved ones who believe in your journey. These small rewards will keep you inspired and remind you why the grind is worth it. To wrapping it up, conquering debt isn't easy, but it's absolutely something you can accomplish with the right mindset and a clear plan. By understanding your debt, creating a realistic budget, using a sound payoff strategy, increasing your income, steering clear of new debt, and celebrating progress along the way, financial freedom is within your reach. Keep in mind, this process takes time and patience. If it feels slow at first, don't be discouraged. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, leave your thought in the comments section, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time seeing my video. Until next time, bye for now.